So this one is second assignment question. So here this one is capital R. You are asked to select the register number. So R3427328 x is equal to 3 minus 7 minus 4. This one is a linear system, and you are asked to solve this system using Gauss-Jordan elimination method. So here I selected 70. Okay. So what we have to do? First form the augmented matrix. So this one is augmented matrix. These two, this system matrix and this output vector are clubbed. So 17, 3, 4, 3, 2, 7, 3, minus 7, 2, 8, 6, minus 4. If you want, you can draw a dashed line. So in order to separate system and output, system matrix and output vector. Okay. So now what we have to do? Now we are going to start the first elimination. So in Gauss-Jordan elimination method, each eliminations are two-step process. In first step, the first step for first elimination is converting this diagonal element to 1. So this is the pivot of first elimination. So this one must be 1. So what we have, this is R1. So R1 is equal to R1 divided by 17. R1 is equal to R1 divided by 17. So we have the augmented matrix is 1.176, 0.235, 0.176. Remaining two rows are not changed. So this one is the first step of first elimination. Now what is the elimination of first elimination? We need to remove these two components by using this pivot. So here pivot is 1. So how to remove these two? How to remove these two? So that is, this is R2. So R2 is equal to R2 minus this 2 divided by 1 into R1. So there is no need to write 1. So capital R2 is equal to capital R2 minus 2 into capital R1. Similarly, how to remove this 2? This is third row. So R3 is equal to R3 minus 2 into R1. Okay. So this one is a row operation required. Now what is the resultant augmented matrix after first elimination? So this one is the resultant augmented matrix. First row is not changed. 1.176, 0.235, 0.176. Second row is 0, 6.648, 2.53 minus 7.352. Third row is 0, 7.648, 5.53 minus 4.352. So first elimination is over. Now what is second elimination? Second elimination is used to remove x2 from all rows except for second row. So except this row, we want to remove x2 from the remaining rows. So what is the first step of second elimination? This pivot must be 1. So this is second row. So second row is equal to R2 divided by 6.648. So what is the resultant matrix? Resultant augmented matrix is 1.176, 0.235, 0.176, 0, 1, 0.381 minus 1.106, 0, 7.648, 5.53 minus 4.352. Okay. So now we are going to start the elimination of second elimination. Means we are going to remove these two components. So how to remove 0.176? This is R1. So R1 is equal to R1 minus 0.176 into R2. Similarly, R3 is equal to R3 minus 7.648 into R2. So this is the required operation. So we have the new augmented matrix is 10.168, 0.371, 0.381 minus 1.106, 2.616, 4.107. Now third elimination. What is the first step of third elimination? What is third elimination? Removing x3 components from except from third row. Except from third row, we are going to remove x3 component. Means we are going to remove these two components. So first, this pivot must be 1. 2.616 must be converted to 1. So this is third row. So R3 is equal to 1 by 2.616 into R3. This is a required operation. So what is our modified augmented matrix after this step? We have 0.168.371, 0.381 minus 1.106, 001 1.570. Okay. So now we are going to remove these two components. So how to remove this 0.168? This is R1, so R1 is equal to R1 minus 0.168 into 1. Similarly, how to remove this 0.381? So this is second row, so R2 is equal to R2 minus 0.381 into R3. So these are the required operations. Now what is the final augmented matrix? We have 1 0 0 0.107 010 minus 1704 001 1.570. So this part is left hand side is identity matrix, so right hand side is the solution. So x is equal to 0.107 minus 1.704 1.570. So the how to solve Gauss-Jordan elimination using MATLAB. So here also this one is I can use this algorithm. This one is algorithm written by me. I can use this algorithm to solve the third order system only. Okay. So first the system that we discussed using slides. So A is equal to, first one is capital R 3 4 2 7 3 2 8 6. Now you are asked to select your register number here instead of R, so I am using 17 first. Okay, enter. Now B is equal to 3 minus 7 minus 4. So that one is a column vector. So this is B. So this is the augmented matrix 17 3 4 3 2 7 3 minus 7 2 8 6 minus 4. Now after first elimination we have 1.1760, 0.2350, 0.176, 0, 6.6480, 2.530, minus 7.352, 0, 7.648, 5.530, minus 4.352. This is after first elimination. Now after the second elimination we have 10.1680, 0.3710, 0, 1.3810, minus 1.1060. Third row is 0, 0, 2.616, 4.107. This is after second elimination. Now after third elimination we have 100.1070, 010 minus 1.7040, 1.57. So this is after third elimination. Now you can see that left to this cursor is identity matrix, so right hand side is the solution. So solution is 0.107 minus 1.704 1.570. Okay. Now if you are selecting different value for capital R, say if I am using 2, same B, so this one is augmented matrix. This is after first elimination. This is after second elimination. This is after third elimination. So this one is the solution, 1.232 minus 2.077, 1.692. So we have to check what is B minus A into this X. We have to check that. So the error is small. Okay. Now by using another capital R, so this is 54 So this is output vector. So this one is a augmented matrix. This is after first elimination. This is after second elimination. So this is after third elimination. So you can see that the rightmost vector column is the solution. So x is equal to 0.0340 minus 1.6790, 1.561. So this is the solution.